Today is first day of our Bakura trek, the Yak Trail trek. These are our teammates. And on the first day itself, we got to see a Brokpa house, one of the son of this Brokpa. They are going to be a part of our trek. We are thankful. And you can see this small valley. It's a beautiful valley. The waterfalls. This really gives a peace of mind. This is still the first day, but I'm finding it enjoyable, peaceful to my mind. Thank you. Now this is a mysterious lake because on this island it is believed that one-eyed yak can be seen, the white one-eyed yak, if your heart is holy enough, if you are a holy um, good man. Then now don't question my this one character, but I think we already see one yak here. There it is. We are actually singing to clear this fog. It is said that if you sing, the fog clears. Let's see. This is a Brokpa hut. The Brokpas are yak herders. They stay here, take care of yaks, especially for churpis. And you can see yaks. I can see two of them there. There's a lake actually. It's a source of streams and rivers down there. It goes through, joined by other streams also. Yesterday it seems quite near, but we started off from the other side of that mountain through this trail and taking elevations, reaching up to this side and then coming from here. This is our first day, camp 1. From today we will be traveling for 8 more days. Okay. और जो लेक्स का नाम है ना, सकने से फ्यूचर में उसको पूरा आपका जो जैसे मिदिर है, चुंग है, ऐसे करके ना पूरा लिख के रखना है. Last night it was stormy, so it's all snow covered on top of these mountains, and we will be traveling from here through these ridges again on those rocky ridges, and on top of those points there are actually passes, so we will be passing through that. Today is the highest elevations. Again we will be doing the highest point of this Lakpara trek. So we have all the snow-covered mountains. It's light there. We came from this yesterday. There's a lake on the other side. This is the hut we are staying. So it's October now, so all the yak herders and yaks, they are going down to their respective villages, mostly in Jang and adjoining a bit warmer areas. So yak are actually natural indicators. This is what we were told. Anyways, there's a valley down there, so we crossed that valley yesterday. Through that we just came down from there. River crossing. This is beautiful Yangsar Valley. There is a brook. I can't see, but on the other side, it's on the island. Both sides there are rivers.
पहाड़ी सी लड़की निगाहों में घूमे कवारी सी लड़की वो लड़की पहाड़ी पहाड़ी सी लड़की
हाँ चुनियो तो जो इतना ऊपर
कौन सा है
वो तो लो तो दिखाई दे रही
वो है
आप लोग खराब हो गए ना
दूर है तो
वही तो Bro houses, yak herders huts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is one more. The valley that we left and another valley I have reached now. All the grasslands. There's a brew house and the view. पानी जो इतना ठंडा है ना भाई, पूरा पाँव लाल हो गया मेरा। हाँ तो उधर ही पहन के आ जाना, नहीं तो ठंडा हो जाएगा। आ जाओ आ जाओ। थोड़ा सा ड्राई होने दो। वही तो ना, यहाँ कैंप करने से तो यही नहा लेना था हम लोग। अरे सीध क्या हो गया ये तो। ना ना नहीं होगा, आगे आ जाओ।
कितना चलना है इधर से
माँ को देख लिया यहाँ से अभी।
तो चलना तो पड़ेगा ना, आएगा थोड़ी माँ को अपनी तरफ। देख लिया तो पहुंच थोड़ी
काल बोल अभी बात पहले तो बोल दिया 2-3 घंटा सर।
2-3 घंटा किलोमीटर बताओ, घंटा तो मैं ऐसा फिर बैठ के रहेगा, पैदल पैदल घूमने पे आएगा।
किलोमीटर आज